Good day, everyone. I'm discussing about drug for influenza virus. I have brief discussion about influenza virus. Influenza virus, a viral infection that attacks your respiratory system, your nose, throat, and lungs. An enveloped virus with a genome made up of single-stranded and segmented RNA. There are four types of influenza viruses: influenza A, B, C, and D. Influenza A and B. These two viruses are common in humans. It causes seasonal epidemics of the disease known as the flu season almost every winter in the United States. Mechanism of action of the drug. The influenza virus infection involves binding of hemagglutinin to nucleic acid residues on the surface of the host cell, which can result in engulfment of the virus. There are three classes drugs approved for influenza. M2 ion channel inhibitors work simply by blocking the M2 channel and restricting passage of photons, which are required to trigger the release of viral genes into the host cell. The drug classification includes the M2 ion channel inhibitors are amantadine and rimantadine. Endonuclease inhibitor works selectively inhibiting CAP-dependent endonuclease. The enzyme involved in the initiating of influenza virus is mRNA synthesis. The drug classification involved is Baloxavir. By blocking the enzyme Baloxavir, drug prevents viral gene transcription and ultimately influenza virus replication. Neuraminidase inhibitor. This activity by inhibiting the viral neuraminidase enzyme found on the surface of the viral particle. Without active neuraminidase, the virus is unable to cleave nucleic acid and unable to escape from the cell. The drug classification includes the neuraminidase inhibitor arm, oseltamivir, veramivir, tenamivir. Influenza antiviral drugs. For M2 ion channel inhibitor, drug name amantadine. Mechanism of action: a weak, non-competitive antagonist of the NMDA receptor which increases dopamine release and prevents dopamine reuptake. Pharmacokinetics: single dose administration 25 to 75 mg to healthy elderly male volunteers. The pharm plasma clearance 0.10 to 0.04 liter per hour per kilogram. Range 0.06 to 0.17 liter per hour per kilogram. And the half-life was 29 to 7 hours, range 20 to 41 hours. Clinical use: oral capsule used to treat Parkinson's disease. It's also used to treat drug-induced movement problems and to prevent and treat infection with influenza A virus. Adverse effect: blurred vision, nausea, stomach upset, drowsiness, dizziness, headache, dry mouth, constipation, nervousness, or trouble sleeping may occur. Rimantadine. Mechanism of action: to exert its inhibitory effect early in the viral replicative cycle, passively inhibiting the unfolding of the virus. Pharmacokinetics: oral absorption 75 to 93%. Plasma proton binding is approximately 40%. It undergoes extensive metabolism by hydroxylation, conjugation, and glucuronidation prior to renal elimination by glomerular filtration. Clinical use: to prevent and treat infections caused by the influenza A virus. This medication is sometimes prescribed for other uses. For the adverse effect: trouble sleeping or insomnia, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, stomach pain, diarrhea, dry mouth, weakness, dizziness, drowsiness, nervousness, headache, anxiety, or trouble concentrating. For the neuraminidase inhibitor, the drug name Rapibag or Peramibir. Mechanism of action: a cyclopentin analog that competitively binds to the active site of the influenza virus, neuraminidase. Inhibits the neuraminidase activity of strains of influenza A and B viruses. Pharmacokinetics: not significantly metabolized and is eliminated renally with a half-life of approximately 20 hours in adults with normal renal function after a single dose of 600 mg. Renal clearance accounts for about 90% of total clearance. Clinical use: to treat symptoms caused by the flu virus or influenza if you have had symptoms for 2 days or less. For the adverse effect, diarrhea, constipation, insomnia, and high blood pressure. Relenza or zanamivir. Mechanism of action: a reversible competitive inhibitor influenza neuraminidase. Very release from infected cells and spread with the respiratory tract are inhibited due to blockage of this enzyme. Pharmacokinetics: low absolute oral bioavailability. The mean bioavailability after oral inhalation of zanamivir powder is 2 to 8 times greater than after ingestion. It has low plasma protein binding, ranging for less than 1 to 14% for concentration from 10 to 0.5 mg per liter. Clinical use: to treat symptoms caused by the flu virus or influenza if you have had symptoms for 2 days or less. Adverse effect: headache, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, cough, wheezing, trouble breathing, ear pain, or cold symptoms such as stuffy nose, sneezing, and sore throat. For the last drug, for the neuraminidase inhibitor, Tamiflu or oseltamivir phosphate, also available as generic. Mechanism of action: inhibits the neuraminidase enzyme, which is expressed on the viral surface. The enzyme promotes release of the virus from infected cells and facilitates viral movement within the respiratory tract. For the pharmacokinetics, rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract and converted by the hepatic hysteresis into the active metabolite OC, giving an absolute viability of 80%. To treat symptoms caused by the flu virus or influenza if you have had symptoms for 2 days or less. For the adverse effect, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, dizziness, headache, nosebleed, eye redness or discomfort, sleep problem or insomnia, and cough or other respiratory problem. For the last drug classification approved by the influenza endonuclease inhibitor, drug name is Xofluza or Balosivir Mormoxil. Mechanism of action: the first-in-class single-dose oral medicine with a novel inhibits polymerase acidic endonuclease, an enzyme essential for viral replication. Pharmacokinetics: a drug that is almost completely converted to its active metabolite, Baloxavir, following oral administration. Clinical use: to treat the flu influenza in people 12 years of age and older who have flu symptoms for no more than 48 hours. Adverse effect: diarrhea, bronchitis, runny or stuffy nose, headache, and nausea. For the precaution and contraindication, the patient with no serious hypersensitivity or anaphylaxis in any component of the product, severe allergy reaction of included anaphylaxis, erythema, multiforme, and Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Pregnant women have higher risk of severe complication from influenza, which may lead to adverse pregnancy and/or fetal outcomes. And that's all. Thank you.